Hi there everyone, this is Fijeh Aadum and welcome to the Immigrants Financial Literacy TV, the arm of the Immigrants Thrive Community, where we help immigrants in North America take control of their finances, lead in business and create wealth by educating you via YouTube and other social media platforms. It's tax season again and we've been getting a lot of questions about taxes. Today, I want to share with you 8 tax saving tips for small businesses. Personal taxes can be complicated. Business taxes, however, can be even more difficult. So if you have a small business, tax time can be challenging. And the livelihood of any company is at least partially dependent on its ability to minimize its tax liabilities while meeting the requirements of the IRS. So, while taxes are rarely enjoyable or interesting topics, they're a part of a business owner's life and getting a handle on your business taxes, right, can increase your income and help you avoid legal issues because you don't want to save on taxes and get in trouble. Now, check out these tax tips that are helpful for any small business. Number 1, keep your tax and financial documents for at least 7 years. This way, if you're ever audited, you will need those records. Any claims made at the tax time require supporting documents. Keeping good record, therefore, is an excellent idea for any small business because it also encourages organization. You see, it is very difficult to reconstruct records at a later time, so do yourself the favor of keeping good records, 7 years minimum. Secondly, know your deadlines. It's not all about April 15th. While those business entities most can wait until tax day, C corporations are required to file within 10 weeks after the fiscal year end, which is normally December 31st. So you don't get up to April 15th for a C Corp. Thirdly, understand your loans. The IRS doesn't classify most business loans as income, but the interest paid on loans is generally a deductible expense. So it's important to have records regarding the use of any loan. It might be for equipment or to finance some other activity. The important thing is keep those records. Number 4, know the different types of audits. There are several types of audits and some are more intimidating than others. You have office audits. Generally, this is a simple audit and you'll be requested to report to your local IRS office to resolve any discrepancy. Then you also have the correspondence audit. This way, you'll just be asked to send in a document via email or via mail or fax, not email, mail. That's the post. Thirdly, there's a field audit, and these tend to be very thorough audits. They are conducted at your place of business. Finally, there is criminal investigation audit. You need to consult your lawyer if you are suspected of tax evasion. Yeah, that's the big one. That's calling on the big guns. Number 5 thing you need to know, pay your quarterly tax bill. This is a common mistake. You see, if you're an employer, your taxes are regularly taken out of your paycheck. If you are self-employed, you are required to estimate your tax each quarter and pay it. Failure to pay this can result in a significant tax penalty. So self-employed, you need to take note of this. You might also end up with a bigger tax bill than you can handle in a single payment. So make a habit of setting aside a portion of your profit each month in anticipation of paying your quarterly taxes. Number 6, prepare early. The vast majority of tax filers wait until the last minute. So if you're expecting a refund, this can be the worst time to file because the IRS is overwhelmed with all the tax returns that pour in. However, this can also be the best time to avoid an audit. Preparing your tax return early leaves you time to find any missing documents and answer any questions. Number 7, get help. Depending on the complexity of your business's finances, hiring an expert to prepare your tax return might be a good idea. In theory, the money you spend, as a result, the money you have spent, right, in paying a tax specialist should result in a smaller tax burden. So it's also helpful if any legal issues arise. But make sure you're using a tax person who knows what they are doing. They are able to save you money. So don't look for the cheapest, look for the person that provides value. Number 8, avoid using taxes collected from employee payroll to pay business expenses. This common practice usually upsets the IRS greatly. When you withhold taxes, send them straight to the IRS. Note, guys, that taxes are a large expense for any business that shows a profit, and it only makes sense to minimize that expense. Consult a tax professional if you have any question or concerns regarding your business tax situation. This is purely opinion based. I'm not a specialist tax advisor. Okay, in response to popular demand, we are putting together a package that can help you get with documentation and tips, especially tips for saving on taxes. I've gotten tons of questions about that, and I'll put together a webinar to help you. If you've been helped by this, head over to our website, IMMIGRANTSTHRIVE.com. Also subscribe here, hit the like button, and invite your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.